Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete an administrator account in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To delete an administrator account in Windows 11, you must be signed in with another account that has administrator privileges. You cannot delete the account you're currently using. Here's how to do it safely. Steps to delete an administrator account. Log in with a different administrator account. You must not be signed into the account you want to delete. Open Settings. Press Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Navigate to Account, go to Accounts, then Other Users. Select the account to delete. Find the administrator account you want to remove. Click on it, then choose Remove. Confirm deletion. Click Delete Account and Data to permanently remove the account and its files. If you're using Windows 11 Pro, you can also delete accounts via Computer Management. Right-click Start menu, then Computer Management. Go to Local Users and Groups, then Users. Right-click the account, then Delete. Important notes. Back up any important data from the account before deleting it. Windows requires at least one administrator account, so make sure another admin account exists. You cannot delete the built-in administrator account, but you can disable it using Net User Administrator /active. No. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.